Introducing Level Best, your single-source solution for stylish, reliable and easy-to-install complete wet floor showering systems. Whatever your wet floor showering needs, Level Best provides a comprehensive range of best-in-class components to provide simply the best integrated solution available today. Level Best is your single source for a range of wall-mounted and freestanding toughened glass screens, a comprehensive selection of proven wet floor formers, multiple waste discharge options, a wet floor sealing and tanking system, and a heated underfloor mat system complete with thermostat and timer. Level Best has teamed up with Mappy, who manufacture possibly the best tanking system available today, which is straightforward to install. Level Best has also partnered with Vami, another leading manufacturer, and together we can provide an underfloor heating system of any size to suit your needs. Level Best provide DVD guides to the entire wet floor installation process, so you can take on this proven system with confidence. Effective floor drainage is essential for the long-term success of all wet floor showers, and the Level Best Tough Form 2 provides a quick, reliable and easy way to get this right first time. True to its name, the Tough Form 2 is the toughest, trimmable wet floor former range available today. It is simple to install and solidly made to take even the heaviest loadings from feet, seats or wheelchairs. Rugged and easy to fit, stable and tough, and available in a wide range of sizes with a standard thickness of 22 millimeters. The Level Best Mappy sealed wet floor tanking system is simple to install, yet flexible and effective, with a long, proven track record throughout Europe. Paint or roller onto the shower floor surface using edge sealing bands, and then apply a second and final coat a few hours later. Leave the tanking overnight to finish tile laying the following day. Level Best also gives you the ability to provide heated wet floors using our Vami heat mat system, and following our straightforward guide makes this also simple to install, straightforward to set up and quick to configure, like all Level Best solutions. The stylish Level Best waste outlet is high-quality 304 grade stainless steel and is supplied complete with your choice of lift-out bucket trap, trap adapter or pumped waste gully. This range of wastes are height adjustable during tiling, and once the height is fixed, the alignment of the top grid can be set to match the tiles. For pumped wastes, Level Best can supply the Digipump Mirage range of versatile shower drain pumps. Level Best toughened glass shower screens are designed from the start to make the installation simple and quick, and also leave your customer with a stylish and elegant solution. Satisfaction for both you and your customer. Level Best glass shower screens use toughened glass to the latest European safety standards, tested by TÜV, one of the foremost European safety and approvals authorities, giving you and your customer full confidence in the product. Currently available in either wall-mounted or freestanding versions in 4 different widths, the expanding range of screens can be installed individually or linked to form a complete showering wet floor zone. Level Best are also able to offer a high-quality range of stainless steel handrails to complement the screen range, and these are available in 3 sizes to suit the individual or family needs of the installation. Where required, Level Best can also provide fold-down seats and freestanding stools. Both have high-quality stainless steel frames and environmentally friendly rubberwood slatted seats. Level Best. Wet floors with strength, style and quality to meet the demands of today's lifestyle. Level Best. Stylish, safe, straightforward to install. A complete wet floor showering system. Let us now show you how a complete Level Best wet floor can be simply and easily installed, giving you the opportunity to tackle any project with confidence. The Level Best Tough Form 2 Wet Floor Former is a patented and proven solid GRP product backed by over 40,000 successful installations to date. Tough Form is available ranging from 900 mm square up to 1800 mm by 820 mm. All 9 Tough Forms in the range are 22 mm thick, and the universal central waist opening will accept level best gravity traps or pumped waists. Always check the instructions provided with all these products. Refer to these in addition to following this presentation. Cut away the existing floor surface, supporting all the edges of the opening with blocking or noggins, ensuring the Tough Form edges are firmly supported. Tough Forms can also be cut or trimmed to clear pipes or other obstructions. Just ensure all cut edges are supported and the fitting instructions are followed. Now check the joists and noggins are level to ensure the Tough Form will be fully supported. For unbreachable concrete floors, contact Level Best for further information on pumped shower waists and screeded floor installations. Level Best can supply a push-fit pipe 50 mm trap which is equipped with a twist-action cover and removable trap tube for easy cleaning. It is easily fitted into the Level Best waist adapter by locating the body onto the adapter, applying sealant to mating surfaces and screwing the assembly together. For all Level Best waists, like this 75 mm trap, assemble the waist to the Tough Form, applying sealant to the flange, followed by fitting 4 countersunk head screws and connecting the waist pipe. Finally, check all joints are waterproof. Place the Tough Form into the floor opening, fixing down using suitable screws. A minimum of 2 screws per side are enough normally to fix the former down firmly. For the moment, remove the center stainless steel parts, placing them somewhere safe until required later. Check the floor cut edges are level with the top of the Tough Form, and finally run sealant around the edges. Lightly abrade the surface with a coarse abrasive sheet to prepare for the bonding of the wet floor tanking system to the Tough Form. Level Best used the Mapigum quick-drying paint or roller-on waterproof tanking system, which is water-based and solvent-free. If you are installing into an existing bathroom, apply Mapigum at least 100 mm up the walls. If it is a new build or full refurbishment, then Mapi advised the treatment is applied up to the level of the shower outlet. The standard Level Best Mapi kit contents include 12 meters of banding, 10 kilograms of Mapigum and other smaller parts. Work out how many inside and outside corners, pipe and waist seals you will need, plus Mapi tape to run around the edges of any joints, including covering the Tough Form edges. You will need to order additional parts and banding if you have more corners in your shower room than the standard kit provides, or you need more than 12 meters of tape. Brush or vacuum the floor clear of dust and building rubbish and mask over the center of the waste outlet. Brush or roller coats of about 1 mm thick Mapigum to ensure these will dry within 2 to 3 hours, allowing a second coat to be applied. At the floor-to-wall joint, apply Mapigum first and press the Mapi band and corners into place. Then paint over the top of any overlaps and then down onto the floor. Apply Mapigum thinly and evenly to get a 1 mm coating, ensuring it will dry quickly. At the waist, remove the 2 screws holding the center of the waist, then coat the surface of the Tough Form and the slope of the waist with Mapigum. Place the flexible Mapigum waist adapter over the waist and refit the center. Tighten the screws. Continue to paint Mapigum around the waist, ensuring the adjuster slide is left clear for the plumber and tiler to see. After 2 to 3 hours, when the first coat is touch dry and can be walked on, apply a second coat across the first to give an overall coating of around 2 mm thick. Now allow this second coat to dry completely for at least 6 hours, so this is best done overnight, to complete your tanked flooring. Level Best supplies Vami heating mat kits. The kit is complete with a digital thermostat and a floor heat sensor. You must follow the detailed instructions supplied with the heating mat. Heating elements are fixed length and cannot be trimmed short or cut down. You must size the heating mat to fit the floor area and make any additional preparations recommended by Vami for your particular floor conditions. The mat must not run under any bathroom furniture such as baths, bidets or WCs. The yellow cable on the mat must run clear of all shower screen fixings. Ensure the shower screen installers know the importance of getting the screen position agreed in advance, and that this position must remain unchanged once the mat is in place. Power is supplied to a 3-meter-long cold tail cable. The open copper ends of the cold tail cable are the only section of the heater cable which can be trimmed down to create a shorter length cold tail. The floor heat sensor cable can also be trimmed and shortened if needed, but only from the open cable end. The thermostat control for the mat must be located outside the bathroom zones. After unpacking the mat, check it with a multimeter and compare this with the label on the box. Do not use it if the resistance or continuity values differ by more than that stated on the certificate. Record the values you have taken. Make sure the Mapigum floor surface is clean and clear of rubbish or grit before you start to fit the heater mat. The kit includes an optional surface primer for freshly applied Mapigum surfaces. If the Mapigum has been trafficked or is dirty, then after brushing lightly to clean it, apply the Vahmi primer, taking note of the handling requirements for this water-based product. Locate the black cold tail joint on the yellow cable where it will be under the flooring and where it can be run to the thermostat without crossing any other cable. Lay the mat out with the cold tail closest to the thermostat position. Make sure that the cold tail, the sensor probe, and the yellow cables never overlap each other. Crossed cables cause overheating and the installation will fail prematurely, so always ensure that these cables always run side by side with at least 20 mm separation. At the end of each run, cut across the matting, carefully ensuring the yellow cable is not cut. Fold the mat round, running it back in parallel towards the start point. If the matting is not fully used up and the floor is covered, then the rest of the yellow cable must be unwound from the backing and taped down to the floor after ensuring it does not obstruct anything. Finally, confirm again the positions of shower screen feet and anything else which may be added to the bathroom after the tiling is complete. Once the entire mat is in position, measure the connections with a multimeter again. If these readings are acceptable, make a note of them and then continue to prepare the connections and place the sensor probe between the yellow cables. Finally, test the connections to the probe with a multimeter again prior to starting the floor tiling task, and keep a record of this value. Tiling must be carried out with care to ensure the heating cable is not dislodged or damaged in any way. Use a flexible tiling adhesive. Move the locking slider to fix the height and then rotate the top to align with the adjacent tile edges. At the waist, run the tiling adhesive close up to the edge of the adjuster. Pack the area around the waist grid support with tile cement and tile fragments if needed to ensure the edges of both the waist and the adjacent tiles are fully supported. Complete the remaining tiling and grouting according to the adhesive and grout manufacturer's recommendations for drying times, applying sealants if required. As soon as the tiling is completed, the sensor and mat must be checked again with a multimeter and the readings again recorded on the guarantee certificate. You must now leave the installation unheated for a minimum of 7 days to allow the floor to completely dry and consolidate. During this time, it is very likely the shower screens will be installed, so these multimeter tests must be repeated prior to final commissioning. You can now follow the detailed setup and commissioning details supplied with the individual heater mat. Level Best shower screens, products which can be installed quickly and easily to provide a first-class installation, combining style, quality and safety. Level Best shower screen glass has been tested and approved by TÜV to the latest European glass safety standards, EN 12150 and EN 14428. If you requested additional screen-to-wall link bars, these will arrive packed separately. Glass screens can be relatively heavy, so take note of the handling advice on the boxes. Carefully open the box, placing the wall compensator and link bar parts to one side. Unpack the box of fittings, which includes screw plugs and caps for a typical installation, plus all the other smaller screen parts. If underfloor heating has been installed, you need to confirm the exact position of this so you can place the screen accurately to avoid these cables. To install the screen, first fit the wall compensator section. Place one end of this on the floor and check for vertical position using a suitable level. Mark out the mounting hole positions and place the compensator to one side. Carefully drill out the wall to accept fixings suitable for the wall type. Now replace the compensator, inserting the screws and fastening the compensator firmly to the wall. Next, fit the floor mounting foot onto the base of the shower screen panel by first sliding on the C-shaped cover. Align the base part with the screen extrusion and fit the central mounting 20mm pan head screw. Fit the black seal part to the base of the foot. Lift the screen out of its protective foam packing and insert it fully into the wall compensator with the foot located on the shower floor. Align the screen edge vertically using a builder's level before marking out the position of the two mounting foot holes. Move the screen to one side and carefully drill into the floor after confirming there are no heating cables below the point you are about to fix the screen. Fill the drilled holes with waterproof silicone sealant and then insert the fixings and apply 2 more pads of sealant around these holes. Replace the screen and fit the 2 retaining screws, then tighten these down and refit the cover. The screen is positioned to sit approximately 12mm clear of the floor, which makes cleaning and maintenance straightforward and eliminates a potential dirt trap. From the inside of the shower area, drill through the compensator into the shower screen panel at 4 locations using the drill bit provided in the fittings kit. Fit the small screws through the screw caps provided and fasten the screen to the wall compensator. Finish with the chromed screw-on covers. Now fit the top cover cap to the compensator, which is in the fittings kit. Trim this to length if required. Finally, you must attach a screen link bar from the open end of the screen back to the wall. If you want to link screens together, screen-to-screen link bars must be attached to the screens first, followed by wall link bars mounted on top. A longer fixing screw is provided in the kit for this stacked end arrangement. Fix the link bar wall mounting at no less than 45 degrees to the screen, setting it level with the top of the screen post. Dismantle the wall end fitting and fix the U-shaped part to the wall, keeping the slot horizontal and the screw opening on top. Refit the chromed parts with the side hole uppermost. Now cut the link bar to length. One end has a cross-drilled hole which must not be removed, and the wall mounting has a deep socket to allow for small cutting errors. Insert the cut end into the chrome socket on the wall. Fit the small ribbed cap onto the screen extrusion, then insert the end cap over the link bar and pass the vertical fixing screw down through both onto the screen and tighten this joint, adding the cover. If a screen-to-screen link bar is also fitted, use the longer screw supplied in the kit to pass through both caps, finishing with the top cover. Now, using the 3.2mm drill provided in the kit, drill through the link bar at the wall fixing and fit the short, self-tapping locking screw. At least one end of a screen-to-screen link bar must also be attached back to the wall by a second link bar. Using a suitable sealant, seal the wall-to-compensator joint. Finally, remove any remaining packaging materials or assembly instruction labels from the screen. The Level Best shower screen installation is now complete.